Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful, and today we're talking about brush cleaning one-on-one at an affordable price. Guys, you know, makeup is already expensive enough as it is, and I've been getting a couple of requests about how to clean brushes at an affordable price, fast and easy without breaking out. So if you want to know what I use and how to save on that, please do stay tuned. The timestamp will be on screen as I would introduce myself in French briefly, and I'll see you guys soon as always. Salut les amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien, et aujourd'hui on parle de comment nettoyer les pinceaux de maquillage à un prix abordable. Je sais que tout dans ce qui concerne le make-up, cheveux et beauté est déjà très cher, et j'ai eu quelques questions en ce qui me concerne, comment moi je nettoie mes pinceaux à un prix abordable. Et là je vais vous montrer quelques options que moi j'ai eu à travailler depuis un bon bout, et je trouve que ça marche très bien. C'est moins cher mais ça ne dérange pas la peau, c'est très pratique, très abordable, très moins cher, et il y a toutes d'options parce que je sais bien qu'il y a des gens qui vivent en Afrique et aussi en Europe, donc restez rassurés que j'ai une option pour tout le monde. Tout le monde pourra trouver une option dans cette vidéo sans toutefois payer très cher. Donc voilà, restez sur place, tout détail en anglais comme toujours. Questions, commentaires, suggestions sous la barre d'infos. On n'oublie pas le bon Dieu comme toujours. J'aurai les prix sur l'écran, j'aurai les liens sous la barre d'infos si vous désirez acheter en ligne. Voilà, et si vous désirez aller en boutique, c'est comme vous voulez. J'aurai toutes les informations sous la barre d'infos. Ciao guys, bye. Alright guys, so we are back. Like I was saying, we're going to talk about different type of tools and brush cleanser that I use, all at an affordable price. I'll have the links down below, and I'll have an option for everyone because I know some people live in Africa, and I swear people complain so much, oh I can't find this and I can't find that. I guarantee you will find here quality, quantity, all at an affordable price, and with variety, and with guarantee that you will be able to find something that will work for you despite of where you are residing. Okay, the prices will be listed on screen as well, and I'll also have a demo at the end of the video showing you how I've used each product, and so you guys can see, you know, that they are in fact effective. So without further ado, let's get into the options that I have. I've already used them, so you're gonna see that I've already opened them as I'm demoing it at the end. So in case you guys are wondering why I don't have the packaging on, that's why. The first thing I have here is the citrus brush cleanser. Okay, this is from Sephora, and I've showed this on my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook stories before. This is actually a quick cleanser. It doesn't replace your normal cleaning for all your brushes, your deep cleaning. Deep cleaning, I do it like twice at least a month, or 3 times at the most, so every 2 weeks, or sometimes I can do it 3 times a month, so it all depends. But this one, okay, this is like an instant brush cleanser. It's for me when I'm traveling or every day when I'm doing my makeup, so that I don't have to wet it, and it dries so fast. This is so affordable and so effective. Guys, this is something that if you're switching in between very pigmented colors and you don't really want to dip your brushing and wait for it to dry or things to transfer, this is the best. I got this from Yuki here on YouTube. She's the one that put me onto this, and she had different options, and this was the one that was easier to find. I wear contacts, I wear glasses, and nothing has irritated my eyes. I use this every single day as I'm switching. As you can see, I have a really smoked out look today, and I use this to clean my brushes in between. And this is just a paper towel, just to show you guys quickly how to use it. And I'm just gonna do one spritz, just like that, and you're just gonna swipe it back and forth until it completely wipes clean. And that's just how that works. It's so effective, guys. Just wipe it, you see, so you see all that residue that's there. So you guys see all that right there. And now as I come into this spot right here and just demo it like this, okay? There's nothing there really. So this is how effective. I mean, granted, this wasn't as dirty, but so as I wipe right here, guys, I know it's kind of white, but look at that, guys. Nothing is coming off. That's how clean it is. So like I was saying, this right here is just phenomenal. You need it in your life. You would thank me or Yuki or whoever later. It's just amazing. The next thing, the Real Techniques brush cleansing gel. This is so affordable, guys, but again, I got this on sale. Buy one get 150 and then you get 20% off. I was like, signing me up. So I stocked up on these cleansers, and this is actually really good. I think I got it for like $5, so it was really good for the sale. And again, I demoed this as you're gonna see at the end of the video. This is a really good one. If you find it on sale, it's great. Even if you don't, Ulta always has a coupon, so you can use that $3.50 or that 20% off and you'll be fine, okay? And during that same sale, I also got the ECOTOOLS makeup brush shampoo. This one is also great. Again, I got these for like $5 because the sale was buy one get 150 and you get 20% off, or you can use your $3.50 or $15. I was like, sign me up. And on top of that, I got to use Ebates. When you shop online, a lot of things have Ebates cashback, so I got my cashback on top of that with this order, so it was a really good deal. So these cleansers were just amazing as well, so you guys are gonna see they're great. So there's another great option for you guys. Again, I clean my brushes 2 to 3 times a month depending on how busy I am, so these were also so great. Do you guys know I talked about this in the how to shop for luxury product video in the past, and I got this Sigma brush cleanser with the matte, which I'll talk about next. And this one is a really good cleanser, guys, okay? Don't get me wrong, it's great. I got this on sale at Nordstroms.com. It was pretty good for the deal that I got it for. And I showed you guys how to get luxury things and luxury makeup on sale at a good deal. I showed that before. I have the links down below. And so this was really good. The only thing about this is the pump, okay guys? The pump on this is just so inconvenient that I would not recommend it unless mine was just dysfunctional. But the brush cleanser is great, but the pump, it's so hard to use. As you can see, it doesn't go down, guys, not easily. So it's very hard. In the demo, I had to literally open this before I can grab the product. So I just don't like that at all, and it's not very sanitary either. So the packaging, you know, the pump is not great. I don't know, maybe I have a dysfunctional bottle, but the cleaning process of it is pretty good. But I feel like with the options that I've given you, I'd pass on this because you can just get the same results. Yeah, so there you go. But if you like luxury brands, you want to support them for whatever reason, this is also a good way to go. Guys, this is the Sigma cleaning mat, okay? And like I said, I showed you guys how I got this on sale, great deal. And this was really hyped up when it came out, I think 2 or 3 years ago. And I really didn't believe in this thing. I thought it was a gimmick, another way for them to get us to shop and buy. But I like it because it has like different textures on there. So it would say to wash here, refine, rinse. One side is for the eyes and one side, I guess, is for the bigger brushes. So it would say like rinse face, refine plus face, or wash face. And on the bottom here, it would say refine only, or here it would say rinse eyes, refine plus eyes, and wash eyes. So like every texture has a name that explains what it's meant to do for that brush. But you know, guys, this is it a do or die? No, this right here I feel like you do need. You don't have to have this one. You can find them anywhere these days: Target, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, or your favorite makeup store. You can find them anywhere, so you don't really need this. I like this also because it has these things at the back where it really stays put on a flat surface, and it really does help clean the brushes fast. Goes right deep into the roots, cleans them very well. I do recommend getting a mat though. It will make it so much faster, so much easier. much cleaner. So if you are looking for this, yes, I say to go get it, but if you want something just simple as well, go right ahead and get it. I do think you need it. It's gonna help you guys. Okay, we also have the African black soap. I already told you guys I will give you guys something for everyone. You guys know African black soap. Grew up loving in Africa to cleanse our body and our face. It's really good for deep cleansing. And so why not use this, guys? And these days they have different types that come in with shea butter mixes, or they have so many qualities like hydrating and even toning, whatever it does. You just want something so simple. The more simple it is, the better it is for your brushes. You don't want too much going into your brushes, because then you can prevent breakouts. Okay, so get the most basics original version of the black soap, the African black soap, but you can get them from anywhere in Africa, and it's very effective. I think this is actually very good, and it's very cheap and affordable. You can even get it at your local African stores if you reside in the Europe or America entities there. So yeah, so that's definitely good. Last but not least, the $1 soap. It costs about $1.12, if I believe. I actually took a little snippet of a video when I was buying this in Walmart, because a lot of people didn't know about this or where to get it. It's actually in the laundry area, the laundry section, and that's where you get it. I'm gonna put in a quick video of where to find it, so you guys don't get confused, because people were asking me and they were getting confused. So you can get it there. And yes, it's laundry soap, guys, so it's going to be multi-purpose. Again, we have multi-purpose products here as well. You can clean anything you want in your house using this, so it's multi-purpose, which is what I do. And it cleans your brushes so well. And I actually feel like with this one, you don't even need a mat. I usually just go right on it and clean, and it cleans so well and so fast. And I did not get any breakouts, guys, so I don't know. So if anyone is getting a breakout with this, then your skin is really sensitive compared to mine. Mine is sensitive, but with this I didn't break out, and I use it all the time, and it's so effective. It's the cheapest way. $1.12. You cannot beat this price. So there you go on that. As you see the demo of how I wash my brushes at the end, you're gonna see that I use this vitamin E oil, and I think you can use any oil. You can use jojoba, coconut oil, you can use castor oil, you can use Jamaican castor oil, you can use grapeseed oil. Any oil that you feel comfortable with, you can use it. I chose to use the vitamin E, and this is organic. Okay, so it's the most natural form. You can use it, just put a drop on each brush as you're washing, just to moisturize it and keep the brushes and fibers from like breaking apart or drying out too much from consistent washes, because all these soaps will dry out. As you guys know, when we wash our skin with these washes, they dry us out to some degree. That's why we bring back moisture by putting in lotions and oils on our bodies and butters. So same thing with the brushes. The more you wash them, the more they dry out and they will start to break apart. So I feel like the oils will just a little bit, not too much, so that you don't break out on your face, because some people say when you add the oil it will break you out. It could, depending on your skin type and how often you wash your brushes and how clean they are. So I think a little bit of oil helps. You don't have to, but it's something that I do. If it's not effective, let me know down below why. If anything else works, please do suggest. We would love to hear from you. But yeah, that's what I also do as well. So I use that right there. And that is it for this video. Let me know, guys, if this truly helped you. And if you have any other suggestions for me, per usual, I'll be glad to hear from you. And per usual, I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to always praise God, and thank you again for watching, and ciao, bye.
put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.